Okay, I'm gonna explain you how to install Prestashop through its file manager. So normally we're doing this with a one-click installation, but in some situations it doesn't work. So I'm gonna click on the file manager, and in some situations you don't have the one-click installation button or program. So on some hosting providers. So I'm gonna click on public.html, and right over here, as you can see, we got the test folder. So I go to my website, and I'm gonna enter the name of the website. And right over here, you see the test folder. So okay, that's a great sign. We know that it's working. We are communicating with our server. And I'm gonna drag this Prestashop right over. Let me think. Oh, I must upload it. Sorry. And then I can drag it. Okay, and I'm gonna drag this right over here. And I wait until it's done. And I go back. Okay, we got Prestashop and the test folder. I delete the test folder and I'm gonna extract Prestashop. Okay, right over there. Yep, and I'm gonna extract it in a public.html folder. And right over here, I'm gonna click on Prestashop.zip and I'm gonna extract it. Okay, it's loading. Okay, it's extracted. Okay, that's great. So now we're gonna go to our web URL, our website, your domain, where you installed the folder on, and you will see that a fresh installation of Prestashop shows up. So okay, that's great. So now we got the Prestashop installer. You can also install Quick Start themes with this, and then you have your Quick Start theme installed in seconds. So now we're gonna install this Prestashop. Okay, I agree and hit next, and right over here I'm gonna enter my shop name, for example my brand new store, and choose here your main activity for what it is. You can choose something, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna choose fashion and select your country, and here your name, and here your last name, and right over here I'm gonna enter my email address. And yep, okay, store password, and store password to confirm. Hit next. Okay, that's great. Okay, for some people this is a difficult step, so I'm gonna explain to you step by step, and it's pretty easy if you have done it a few times. So I'm gonna click on the MySQL databases, the MySQL, and I'm gonna wait. And right over here, I'm gonna create a database. I'm gonna call it, let me think, Presta. Yes, that's gonna be. Okay, create database. And after this, we must add the user to the database. So don't worry. So I will add the user to the database. I'm gonna call this also Presta. So we got an easy installation, and I will enter here the password. Create user. Okay, we have successfully created a user called Jared Presta. And now we're gonna add those users to our database. And you can do that right over there. Click Jared Presta, and Jared Presta, in your case, your domain, your database name and your username, and check the box with all privileges and click make changes. Okay, and I'm gonna copy the database name right now. It's the same like username, so it's pretty easy to remember. So we're gonna copy this and we're gonna paste it in the database name, and right over here in the database login, and right over here I'm gonna enter the password that we have created. Okay, the database is connected right now. Now we go further. Okay, it will install Prestashop for us. Okay, and it's nearly done. I speeded up the process, so normally you must wait a little bit longer, but I don't think that's a problem. So right over here, I'm gonna go to the back office by clicking on right over here my details. Okay, and we're gonna delete the install folder soon. So yeah, I'm gonna click on manage your store. For some security reasons, we need to delete the install folder. Right over there, and hit the delete button. Okay, now we're gonna reload the URL. And okay, it's installed. It's perfect. It's done. So okay, now I'm gonna enter the username. Let me think. And my password was this. Okay, I'm now gonna save it to my desk computer, and I will wait. And okay, that's great. We just have finished our installation. Now we're gonna take a look at our store. You'll wait until it's loaded. Okay, that's looking perfect for your Prestashop store. I'm really proud of you that you made it so far, and I hope you will watch more of my tutorials. Okay, and thanks for watching.